Hello, and welcome to the Davey Nation. I finally got my Joe Schmo pre-order for the Steam Deck. I don't know, I didn't get a fancy review sample, so let's see what the actual unboxing is like and how good this bad boy is. I've been very excited. So let's dive into this thing. The basic idea of this video is to provide a look at the experience you're going to get when you receive your Steam Deck after you get it from Valve versus someone who got a review sample that may have not gotten all the attention that a normal product would give, or less. Let's find out. And the first thing you're greeted with is a card that, well, I guess it really wants you to plug it in first. Oh, that's kind of cool. On the inside of the box, they have different places you can play the Steam Deck. Obviously, the first one that stood out was, yes, there we go, on the toilet. So, we get two little boxes here. Cardboard, some contents. Let's open the tiny boy up first, which is the adapter. There you go. So you get a nice little plug with it, little USB-C power cable, switching output from 5 to 20 volts. And I'm actually thinking about keeping this little tiny box because it looks like we may have a use for this box yet. Let's see if we can use this box later on. Ah, yes. The piece de resistance. Your games are going places. The Valve Steam Deck. Ooh. So we got the case here. Just some regular packaging. This looks like if it would be sold in stores, that's what it would look like. You got a valve and a tiny little valve like safety lock here. So I guess it's definitely not been tampered with. But I want to get in. Well, I guess I'll look at the case first. So the case feels nice. It feels like one of those, you get a little koozie. Definitely not for this. Yes, this is definitely what this is for. Yeah, so you get a perfect Valve koozie for your beverage of choice. Assuming this is for your little charging stuff. You have, strap on the back. It's a basic card case, but it's a nice one. It's something in the back in the Game Boy era you would probably pay, I don't know, 25 to 35 bucks for. So it's nice that they include this because you're gonna buy one anyway. It's just plastic. I don't have. Let's finally get in here. We got little white nubs on here. I'm assuming it opens this way, eh? Wow, look at that. It's funny, you see things on the internet for so long and then you're like, wow, bigger than I expect. But I mean, I saw all this, but nice. So you got nice inside case. Got a little thingy to pull this out. Oh, we have one more little item. A little microfiber cloth for cleaning. Yeah, that's a nice little case. So, while this thing does a little charging, how about we make a stand out of the box? How about that? Well, video available soon because the Steam Deck has a mind of its own. Steam Deck. Oh, hey, there you go. It didn't even wait. It is just turning itself on here. Nice. So we'll go through, do the setup here. Man, the buttons really feel good. And this matte screen is awesome looking. Steam account. I do not remember my Steam account name. And after quickly pondering my life choices, we were in. All right, that's a little bit better. This is the Steam button. Boop, 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 boop. It's all the info. Basically everything this paper was saying. And these are the last games I was playing. Ah, there we go. Get some updates going. Now that we have everything kind of unboxed and set up and ready to be used, this concludes our first look at the Steam Deck as Plebeian Joe, who ordered it over the internet. Everything turned out great. The only thing it's missing is a stand. And I've made one of those out of the box that you get. So this video will be out next week. I'm gonna go take this puppy for a test spin in various locations. But that's all I have for you guys this week. Davey out. Gotta go play some games, some Steam games that I bought very long ago. Damn you, summer sale.